What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. So this morning, starting off with some greens. So one thing I have in a goal of mine during these next 8 weeks is to drink this every day, if not every other day. So sorry if my voice is a little raspy. Been having a bit of a sore throat. So drinking this because health. First meal of the day is some banana nut protein oatmeal, some 4 servings of egg whites, some turkey ham. I think it's 2 ounces of turkey ham and 28 grams of low-fat Mexican cheese. So the oatmeal that I take or eat or whatever, it's the Quaker protein oatmeal. This is usually like the usual. This is like the usual that I eat almost every morning, but sometimes I substitute the oatmeal with protein pancakes or some protein waffles. But majority of the time, it's always egg whites that I'm eating. So once I eat that, I input that into my FitnessPal. So this breakfast comes out to 47 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of fat. And this whole breakfast comes out to 480 calories. So not bad to start off your morning.
What happened? What's wrong with Elliot, Adrian?
He stubbed his toe, so estoy sobando.
Stubbed his toe. Look at his tiny toe.
Let's go to HEB so we can get the food.
Alright, let's go to HEB and then go do a 5-mile run.
Let's go to HEB. Alright, you guys, so I'm here in the gym, about to get my workout in. I got push day today, so I'm gonna drink my pre-workout. Nothing too crazy. Device that oh, and you guys saw that new morning weigh-in, 173. We're making gains. So the weight scale's going down. The diet, the macros, we're being consistent. The lifting is getting more intense, and the cardio, I'm being more focused. Overall, I'm feeling great. Feels good. It just feels good. I love it. We're trying to get shredded here. Starting to get itchy, bruh.
Yeah. I'm sweating. Yeah. In 2010, thought I was doing something. And now I'm rapping with a crew or something. I guess the track don't really stick unless he's gluing something. And I never fit the shoe until I doing something. Yo, bracing myself like teeth, boy, it's the same old route on some new concrete. But homie, these tunes make you get a new ID. I'm trying to do my thing, but the commute ain't cheap. I'm on a 2-day week for all this rap these days, and we can still pitch the track to all the whack DJs. We're singing happy days, wearing tacky J's, and I'm just pumped that I made it out my nappy phase. Let's go. We can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down, and said we can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and put your hands up high and your shoulders down, and said about time that I get back. Yo, I'ma get back, we can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back. Yo, I'ma get back, and we can hold it down. 4th year in the promised land. Watch it, I promise, man. If you ain't looking close, we gon' look like an industry plan. Flex it, I really can't, cause this is a higher plan. I'm walking with the sun so close, I'm on fire, man. Burning up, I'm so OT with a goatee. My fruit to bear is oh so he. I ocho beats, and rappers look like pollo meat and froyo sweet. So yo soy like so low key. Alright, stop. I need to smile, son. It's been a while, son. He picked me up to set apart from all the proud, son. And I was just another kid on the block. I never did a thing to get where I got. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
We could turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really tryna hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say we could turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really tryna hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and put your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say about time that I get back. Yo, I'ma get back, and we can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back. Yo, I'ma get back.
I got a new revelation, I'm different from like a day ago. Whole lot I don't know, but Jesus is still a way to go. Of that I'm certain, regardless, whatever man recalls. Trying to make a splash like when my son be yelling cannonball. Yeah, he like 3 though, similar to me though. Thinking I alone supposed to be some sort of hero. When God he made it clear that there is power in his people. I'm writing these words, hoping he grow up as a man and kinda understand. Making an impact is better than making 100 grand. If you could do both, but don't expect a harvest right when you sow. And never put money ahead, your own personal growth. So
we can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really tryna hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say we can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really tryna hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and put your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say about time that I get back. Yo, I'ma get back, and we can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back. Yo, I'ma get back. Time that I get back, yo, I'ma get back, and we can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back, yo, I'ma get back, and we can hold it down.
Alright, so finished working out, got a little busy. Want to give you guys a full physique update on how I look, right? This is after working out, only having breakfast in the morning. So this is at 173.5 pound, 0.4 pound. Wasn't sure what it said in the morning, but yeah, this is what I look like right now. So side view. So I'm looking. Majority of the time when I'm gaining weight, I gain most of my weight on my quads. My quads and like right here, the lower belly area. So usually this is where I pack on the most weight, and right here in my lower back. So usually when I start getting lean, I start noticing a lot of I guess shreddedness or striations here up top, my chest, my shoulders, somewhat my biceps and my tries, but usually towards the very end I start seeing some results here. So we are the second week, started at 177.8, currently 173.5. It's around 5 pounds in 3 weeks. So but this we're starting, this is the second week of officially counting macros. So yeah, from the last time you guys saw me on YouTube, well, the last video, I was 175.5, 175.4, and right now 173. So currently 2 pounds down in 4 to 5 days. So feels good, feel amazing. I think a lot of it was like some water leaving my body. So yeah, I feel good. But anyways, we're gonna go and eat the second meal of the day right now.
Am I showing my physique?
No. So you guys that haven't been following me for a while, so I own a small gym. Currently I have some friends here, some of my closest friends, they're here working out. So let me just show you guys the vibes real quick.
post-workout, I'm gonna eat a quick bowl since it is the fastest thing that I can make right now. It's a Healthy Choice Power Bowl, plant-based, 280 calories. This is 5 grams of fat, 39 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein. So what this has in here, actually I've never had one of these. It's good. This is meatless chipotle chicken, plant-based chicken. So this is the first time I actually try this. I thought it was actually chicken. It's chipotle chicken, plant-based. This has beans, rice, carrots, green beans, onions, some these mango pieces. Oh no, squash, and this is actually pretty good. So this is the second meal of the day. I'm gonna drink this down with some water and something else that I'm implementing during this cut.
I have to get a workout.
Alright guys, so another supplement that I'm implementing during this cut is a One Up Nutrition Pure Rebuild. It is basically creatine. It also has an EAA complex, helps out build lean muscle, dense muscle right now that I'm cutting, trying to retain as much size as I can. Supports strength, endurance, and helps me recover from some of these workouts that I'm having, especially the days that I do weight training and cardio. Because lately I've been feeling really fatigued those days. The following day I feel like my body needs a little bit more time to recover, but since I don't take any off days from the gym, like other than Sunday, I feel like this can help me get that recovery that my body needs to going into the next day and crushing my workout. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and cop it. It should be a really good product. Third meal of the day, it is gonna be some turkey burgers. Everything that's inside it is just some shredded cheese, well, obviously the buns, lettuce, some tomatoes, and mustard and pickles. So that comes out to, oh, and I'm eating some cauliflower tater tots and a serving of some ketchup. And the ketchup comes out to 20 calories for carbs. But this whole meal in total comes out to 880 calories. And I'm drinking this down with Cascade Ice. It's a sparkling water. So, and I get the peach mango flavor, or if not, I get the kiwi? Strawberry kiwi. That's the one. That's the other one I get. So, yeah, gonna eat that.
You're welcome.
For the third meal of the day. Thank you, baby. Tastes good. I'm just gonna enjoy this. See you right now.
You can't even see yourself.
Can see me?
Very, very little.
Alright, so we're on our way to the movies. We're gonna go see Fast 9. Just gonna go pick up Edgar real quick.
AKA Gordman. AKA Gordman.
AKA Tejas.
Nah, I can't. Wait, no, edit that out. Cut that out.
That's staying.
Nah.
I didn't feel like going, guys. But I was like, you know what? Let me go have some fun with my boys. Time for some guy time. Some guy time is needed right now. So, especially for me. We're on our way. We're on our way to the movies. Alright, you guys, so I'm back from the movies. Saw Fast 9. So I want to give it a rating of 7, maybe 8. But the whole point is, like, if you're like a person that's expecting race cars, all that stuff, I mean, this might not be the movie for you. But if you just want to enjoy a film and you know, go on a trip, and I mean, I liked it. So me personally, I would give it an 8. I like the jokes, I like the corniness, I like some action, you know, it's fun. I enjoyed it. So it was a good movie overall. But finishing the night off with a protein shake. I'm just doing protein powder today. No fruits, blueberries, bananas, none of that today. So almond milk, the One Up Nutrition cookies and cream. And that pretty much wraps up the night. See you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.